Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the 16th in a series where I am taking different advent calendars, 5 different advent calendars. I am opening them, showing you what's in them, and I am donating the contents to a nonprofit, and I'll put information in the description box down below about this nonprofit. I'll open up the OPI calendar first. Ooh, this is a pretty color. This is called Tinker Thinker Winker. It's a really pretty silver. I'm not sure if you're picking up on the micro glitter here, but it's really pretty. I'm excited about that. That's probably the color that I'm the most excited about so far. Next is the NYX calendar. And this is a matte lipstick in Sorbet. Looks like a lavender kind of blue color. Interesting. So it's probably pretty opaque because it's a matte lipstick. So curious what that looks like on. Next is the Body Shop. Please don't disappoint me. This is not, of the calendars, this is the one that's my least favorite. Oh, this is good though. Okay. And they keep doing like dud day, and then they'll redeem it with something nice. And this is a 50 ml container of the coconut scrub. I love this stuff. I love this, and I love the Shea also. Next is Feel Unique. Feels like a pencil, maybe? Oh, it's an eyeliner pen from Duce, Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. Nice. And last but not least, Space and K. And this is the Tata Harper Regenerating Cleanser. Oh, it's a daily exfoliating and clarifying cleanser. Nice. All right, that was day 16. I'll be back tomorrow with day 17. Thank you so much for watching. Really enjoying filming this, and I hope that you're enjoying watching it. Take care, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.